FindMolecule is a solution which includes an inventory management system and an electronic lab notebook. The two parts can be taken together or separately. The solution is used by big companies such as Johnson & Johnson, DSM or Basic Pharma, by big universities such as Toronto or ESCPI, and by smaller companies such as biotechs. The solutions allows you to gain in quality, in collaboration, and in structure. Let's now take a look at the software and start by the inventory. The inventory part includes the management of your products and your equipment, an order and reception workflow, and some management of the location, of the labels, etc. So when you start using FindMolecule, you can import your current system, your current data on the system and start using it. So let's take a look at the search. You can use a molecular drawing search included into FindMolecule, or you can also use all the advanced search tools such as search by location, search by statue, etc. When you perform a search, FindMolecule will first make appear the perfect match result and then the substructure result. When you click on the arrow, you will have in line all the different items or bottles of this particular molecule. And when you click on the line, you will have all the information related to this particular bottle. So the quantity, the supplier, etc. If you click on this, you can use the ordering system. So you can say, for example, I need 3 bottles of benzene and make a request. Then all the requests will be centralized in the order part. So the person in charge of the order can centralize all the requested by the users. Then in the admin part, you will be able to manage the location or the barcodes. And so you can choose the information that you want on the barcode, so it can be used as real labels. Finally, FindMolecule also includes a report system, which allows you to search in your inventory and make reports on your product or your equipment. So for example, you can say, okay, I want to see all the empty bottle and I want to have in result the molecule name, the barcode, the quantity, etc. Then you can search and export all the results in Excel. Let's now take a look at the electronic lab notebook. FindMolecule allows you to manage chemistry and biology experiments. Let's start by the chemistry experiment. So we will search, for example, the very famous aspirin synthesis. So in a particular experiment, you will have a title, a goal. You will be able to assign the experiment to a particular project. And so all the person who can have access to this project will be allowed to see this experiment. Then you have the chemistry reaction included into FindMolecule and the stoichiometric table to manage all the information of your particular reaction. Then you will have the procedure when you will be able to write it and use tools such as hyperlink, images, or also Excel spreadsheets. Then you will have the analysis part when you be able to create your own custom analyze. So for example, for the NMR, you will be able to put the relevant information, the solvent, etc., and to attach a file, for example, the file of your NMR. And you can create several analyses per experiment. Then you will be able to include the references, images, and every kind of attached files. At the end of the experiment, you will be able to close and sign the experiment. FindMolecule includes a sign and countersign system, which allow you to validate your experiments. You can also export your results and your experiments in a PDF file to share it with your colleagues. So as I said, FindMolecule, the two parts of FindMolecule, the inventory and the lab book, can be taken together. And when they are taken together, the quantity that you put on the ELN are automatically calculated in the inventory. So you can automatize the management of your quantity and said what bottle you have taken from your inventory for this particular experiment. So this was an overview of FindMolecule. Feel free to reach us if you want a more detailed presentation.